Hello student, how are you today? We meet again in chapter 3. In this chapter, we are studying about obligation and prohibition. Definition of obligation. Obligation is a duty, it is something you must do. Arti dalam bahasa Indonesia, obligation adalah kewajiban yang harus kita lakukan atau laksanakan. Obligation atau kewajiban. We use must and have to express obligation. Yang pertama adalah kata must. Must show us that the obligation come from inside the speaker. Must digunakan ketika ingin mengungkapkan bahwa sesuatu itu harus dilakukan dan hanya bisa dipakai untuk present saat sekarang dan future untuk masa yang akan datang. Oke, setelah tadi kata must, kita lanjut ke kata have to. Have to show that the obligation come from outside. It is usually referring to a rule or law. Oke, kata must dan have to sama-sama artinya harus. Kalau kata must yaitu sebuah aturan yang datang dari dalam diri kita sendiri. Sedangkan have to artinya suatu keharusan yang datang dari sebuah aturan. Entah itu aturan dari sekolah atau aturan dari sebuah perusahaan. Okay, now we are continue to the structure of the example of obligation. Yang pertama yaitu kata must. Must plus verb 1 plus verb. For example, I must go to bed earlier. I must call my mother. Saya harus pergi tidur lebih cepat. Yang kedua, I must call my mother. Saya harus menelpon ibu saya. Jadi kedua kalimat ini yaitu menyatakan suatu keharusan yang datang dari diri sendiri. Okay, next we are continue to the have to. Have to rumusnya subject plus have to plus verb. For example, we have to wear uniform at school. I have to go to school at 7 p.m. Jadi, kita harus memakai seragam sekolah. Kalimat yang kedua, I have go to school at 7 p.m. Saya harus pergi ke sekolah jam 7. Jadi kedua kalimat ini yaitu menyatakan suatu keharusan yang datang dari sebuah aturan. Okay, after we are studying about the obligation, now we are continue to the prohibition. Type of prohibition. First is verbal, second nominal, and third is verb-ing. Okay, prohibition dalam bentuk verbal. Don't close the door please. Don't go now please. Oke, jangan pergi sekarang. Kita menambahkan please untuk menghaluskan kalimat itu. Oke, yang kedua yaitu dalam bentuk nominal. Don't plus be plus adjective. Yang pertama, don't be lazy. Don't be shy. Oke, next. Sekarang kita lanjutkan ke bentuk yang ketiga yaitu verb-ing. No plus verbal plus verb plus ing. Oke ya, for example, no smoking here. Dilarang merokok di sini. No parking. Dilarang parkir. We use must not to express prohibition. For example, I must not help you. Saya dilarang membantu kamu. You must not borrow more than 3 books at the time. Kamu tidak boleh meminjam buku lebih dari 3 buku dalam sehari. Children must not run on the grass. Anak-anak dilarang lari di atas rumput. Jadi must not di sini artinya Dilarang, bukan tidak harus. Oke, bagaimana anak-anak? Did you get the point? Untuk lebih jelasnya, silakan tonton video di bawah ini.
What are you gonna do here, Grandma?
Well, I'm gonna make pizza. First we must mix everything, in order to obtain the dough. Now we must roll the dough with the rolling pin. You must be careful with a knife. And you shouldn't cut it so fast. Now we must put it in the oven. The pizza must be ready now. Let's take a look.
Grandma, is the pizza ready? It smells delicious.
You must wash your hands before you eat. Let's eat pizza now. You must be very hungry.
Yeah, we are. Look at these beautiful flowers. Can I pick them, Grandma?
No, you mustn't pick the flowers.
The ice cream was delicious, but I don't like the cone.
You mustn't throw rubbish on the ground, Alice. You must throw it into the garbage can. You mustn't climb up the slide. You may hurt yourself, and you may hurt other kids too. Ladders are for climbing. Alice, you must wait your turn.
Thanks for watching. Bye.